All right, folks. GPT-2 image generators here.
Yeah.
I never expected to see this because GPT is not known for image generation.
That's a Nano Banana Google's job.
Yeah, usually we go for Nano Banana. We create a lot of images on our team. This is our other team's work, so we have a lot of Asian guides here. But we use image generators a lot on our channel for image generation, and we're gonna use it more for creating like flashy animations and stuff. Coming soon, okay? Right now we just have our ugly faces, but very soon you're gonna see a more handsome version of me. And that's exactly what we're gonna do now. So we're actually using GPT Image 2 to make me look more handsome and holding a banana in a movie poster format. So we're gonna wait for that generation to go on.
Yeah.
But just to talk about how it's work here. OpenAI was trying to do images for a while, but they were always a little bit shit at it.
Yeah.
Until they fired a Sora department.
Yeah.
At which point they probably got more resources.
Yes.
And smart people.
Yeah.
To make GPT-2 image work. Now, how we're using it is we're using it inside Higgs field. So when we generate images right now, we can choose different image generators. This is not a promo for Higgs field. We just use it. We pay. But if Higgs field wants to sponsor us, go ahead. Okay. But that being said, you have a lot of options here to generate images. The charge is not very cheap, so it actually charges us more than it charges us what?
2 credits for the usual Nano Banana Pro Gen.
But it charges us 7 credits for GPT.
My God.
So you gotta be very handsome to use this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta be very handsome. So far we did a few tests. So what we found in general, and this is not just the only test here, we actually run some other tests in the back as well. But what's interesting is that it seems to be more color aware.
Yeah, it's more in. It has more of a better intuition for the color and style. So these two, this is the one I did for the OpenClaw update video yesterday. This was with Nano Banana Pro, and it's nice, but this one is made with GPT Image 2, and it senses that the logo is red, so the background and fonts should be red. But the downside here is I do look a bit darker here.
We have lipstick on.
I do?
Do you have realized? You have lipstick. I added lipstick onto you. Wait, let's go there. Do you have lipstick? Yeah, you have lipstick on both of these. So I saw people use Opus as a judge or something like that, but let's use humans as a judge for this one. I would say being more color aware is really good if you want to make a horror movie poster. I feel like it for some reason has this weird Da Vinci Code stuff in the background. Let's hunt down the red lobster and just kill it, all right. So let me just wait. Let me just generate another one for here. While it's stuck, it's taking a bit. This is the problem with generating video, something for a video when you want to film, and none of it works. The problem I see. Oh,
hey.
Wow!
Whoa, look at you!
Whoa! All right, okay. You want me over? Yeah. Yes. Done. Jean-Loup Banana Man. Hey, it still looks like me.
Yeah, that's your banner now for X.
Hey. I take it back. Done. You can charge me 3 times. You know what? You can charge me 10 times as much. All right, don't worry about it. Let's send it through. I'm actually curious. Let me send it through now. Let me see if Nano Banana understands.
Pro. We use Pro.
Pro. But I did see on X there were a lot of hot girls that were being generated.
Don't
ask me why. Okay, don't ask me why. Don't ask me why.
How did you come upon those images?
Yeah, how did I come? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. But they were a lot less censored, and they seem to understand. I think that's the biggest advantage. Google's Nano Banana is extremely neutered when it comes to looks.
Yeah.
Okay? When you say handsome, they're like, do you mean handsome in the classical sense or fat power sense? Because the fat movement's really hard right now. Fat positivity, whoa.
Oh my God, what?
Yeah, no. No. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. GB, just go home. Go home. You're drunk. You're drunk. You're drunk. You're drunk. Nano Banana. Nano Banana, you know, I was so frustrated with using it because like I told it to generate like handsome. I didn't understand what handsome was.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't. I said generate a beautiful girl. I didn't understand what a beautiful girl meant. It was like, it meant, you know, racially different, difficult. I have nothing against that, okay? But you know, when I'm saying just like generate me something that looks nice. Oh, this is still not that bad. Okay,
Wait, this one.
This is also
This is
GPT. This is still GPT. It's still GPT.
Oh, it's another angle of you.
It's another angle. But I'm also more handsome. Like, see, look, they got a little bit more.
You look rugged here, so
You
you're
look
more
rugged?
masculine. I mean, you are masculine.
But hey, I'm okay with both.
That's the catchphrase too. He's not the hero we deserve.
He's
but
only one of them.
It even has humor.
Sometimes all you need is potassium. Damn, I want to go back to the 90s, bro. This was sell at cinemas.
Yeah.
This was sell at cinemas.
I'd like to say here, like, I noticed that just like what you said, you don't need to be very specific with the prompts. 1 or 2 sentences is already fine with GPT Image 2, and they can create you something that looks really nice. But for some people that are quite anal with their output, it might be so nice that it looks obviously AI. And that's where you need to.
This is not AI. This is it's clearly not AI. This is clearly not AI. That's just 100%. Oh, like look at that. Like those like that hairy arm. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah,
look at that. Look at that hairy arm. Look at those muscles. Yeah. Definitely not AI. Nah.
Banana Man.
Banana Man. But hey, it does actually look good. I do have to say, like, I'm actually impressed.
Yeah.
The speed I'm not impressed with.
Yeah.
The speed I'm not impressed with. But you know, hey.
So this is Nano Banana Pro, okay.
And we're in banana territory. You know, you
Yeah.
should be good at making banana
You
posters.
have home court advantage.
Your home court advantage, you still mess it up.
Starring man's name. What?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so I think it answers the question, guys. If you guys are wondering if GPT-2 is worth trying out, absolutely, yeah, let's go! I know this is probably the least technical video of them all. We're just judging this by how I feel, and I feel absolutely 100% GPT-2. You don't have. I'm not paid for this, but GPT, feel free to pay me. I don't mind. You know, make me more handsome. I don't mind that either. With that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I think this is a huge improvement. This is not a small amount. Next time we'll throw Midjourney there. Midjourney's more good at imagining things. I think. GPT and stuff is good at just like editing something. But like, dude,
That can be a pipeline,
dude,
right?
this can be our thumbnail.
Yeah, let's actually make this as a
So
thumbnail.
make this the thumbnail.
That's
okay.
it?
All right,
Okay.
GPT Banana Man versus let's go. All right, guys, this can sell movies for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Shout it out.